Yes, hi. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, hi. I'm looking for the person in charge of production, please.
Who's this? What company are you calling?
I'm.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm actually on vacation today. I'm not in the office.
Oh, okay. No, okay. I'm sorry about that.
If you want to try our main number,
Yeah.
and ask,
Yeah.
and our main number is.
Okay, yeah, I appreciate that. No problem. And you're the VP, and then what was that? Sales manager. Okay. No worries. Yeah. The reason I was maybe you could just give me a little context. We do a tool and software to streamline kind of the reporting from your machines.
So you're not looking for anything to be manufactured?
Oh, I'm a salesperson. Yeah. No.
Okay. I'm sorry. I misunderstood then.
Oh, all good. I was looking for the person in charge of production. Just and I understand you're on vacation. So would there be someone else to speak with about that? Just kind of helping save productivity there?
No, actually, our engineering manager is out, and we actually have implemented a software 2 years ago to do all of what I think you're trying to sell us.
Well, it could be. It could even complement. It depends on what it is, and that's why we're calling. There's no, pressure or anything. Just to kind of educate and see where things are, and no worries if not. Just to kind of do evaluation, see if there's a place for it, or if you guys have things covered. So
yeah, if you want to try me back tomorrow or early next week, try me in the office and connect then.
Okay. Is your email?
Yes.
Okay. Very cool. And so understood. So yeah, that's no problem. I mean, since I had you on the phone, I could just, if it's okay, it's like Tuesday in the morning. Okay.
I don't have my calendar in front of me, but if you want to try like later morning, that's probably good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I could just have, I'm a sales development person here. I could have reach out.
Okay.
And yeah. And so he's our CEO. Just kind of get right to it. So I don't have to, spend any more time with me. But understood. So I just have I got to do 9 or 10 a.m. That's okay.
Actually, if you could do 11 on Tuesday, that would be better.
Okay. Very cool. And
sure.
Yeah. I will send that over. And just to help understand it, it's basically gives you some visibility into the production floor. We're seeing it, for some of your companies like yours, increase productivity as little as about 3 months or so. Does your current way you see machines give kind of historical data?
So the way our system works is that we have connections to the machine, and it reports data live, so we can see if the machines are running or not. It flows into our payroll software. All of our production planning, all of our metrics are all done through it. So
okay,
it's called. Sure, if you're familiar with it, but that's who we're using now. Yep.
Okay, very cool. Well, let me do this. I'll set it up with and I'll butcher your last name, but I know how to spell it. And then and then I got your last name and we'll see you around 11 o'clock. I'll send an invite over. So
okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your vacation.